First and foremost, me have to say happy independence to all Jamaican, real Jamaican, who believe in a Jamaican independence and believe in your country. Alright? Second thing me have to say, big up to all of my subscribers and my supporters them. God bless everyone. Thank you all for watching my channel and subscribing to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Ding Dong and Valiant, and mostly Valiant performance, people. Let's jump into it.
Everybody got some. Everybody got some. At 23 like Jordan, how they go out here? You're not with my team, nobody draw near. Get a cheer, listen good, me, I got that clear. Ravers, money, love like gang here. Boop in at them head. Boop, 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 boop in at them head. Level. Every time I'm traveling by one car, but in up on the road, a motorcade on road. Road block up, brother there. Yo, Valiant.
How you know where go on? I make a crazy opinion, I know. Yo, Jamaica! Same time! Watch out! I'm motorcade. A 4-way plus sign of it. A VVS time and I'm a cheer. Jamaica! A Uber that I. You know? Cool. Next one there. Same time. I'm one the whole of Jamaica rock. Over here, sir! Give me a rock now, man. Ready? Say, man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no. Here Force White. Look how I'm looking at me. What kind of mood this? I know we're going to Jamaica. Alicia. She and bust down. I live with a black boy. I sing that part here. But them want ban me. You never know Babsy and me auntie. And we are doing fast, so you know we're crazy same time. I'm one who wanna stadium and jump. Ready. Hey! Move out, man. Oh, Vanessa! Move out my way. Me a mad soon. Jamaica, I'm at near. You know it's died. I'm at near. One more cup, you know. I was still a rock, you know. Air Force white like these ass. Designer beats and cologne a Creed dog. Stop, but we kick it up on that. Black fat. Same time, you know, move harder.
Where you go? Come here. Stay by one new car. We have about one new dance. Mix in rhythm there. Watch out now. Boy. Level. Look up in on the get up. Stand up. Wanna stand up? Stand up. Dance and enjoy yourself with we. Our independence, freedom up. Let them do what they want, let them enjoy themselves. Listen to me now, stop there. It's a public holiday. A Jamaica independence. Everybody will love Jamaica one another year. A lighter, the flag, phone light. Yo, people don't free up on yourself. And dance with we, our independence, free up on yourself. Round this up. Let me sit down another year. I want everybody sing this. the world here. Everybody sing round now. Wanna sing round now? What is the Harley?
I'm gonna say yeah.
Sorry. Jamaica happy independence. Big up all Big up all and Garris the people them. Everybody sing one way. And Jamaica we up. Well, it's a nice sunny evening, a cool afternoon. Nobody has to work, no, nobody goes to school. Sit down on the corner, joke around and not a fool. The elders playing dominoes, strength is playing pool. I love money in my pocket, so I know I have to. Jamaica, happy independence. Hey.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, if you reach this far in the video, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Alright, let's jump into it. See, all them there pressure Valiant, and I talk about Valiant song and mash up Jamaica, but yet still they have Valiant to perform, right? For Independence Day, and Valiant still drop the song Move Out My Way, me and Mad Smaddy. And I saw a whole stadium mash up, eh? Remember, man? Police one come out and say Valiant to talk about Mad Smaddy and the whole of we are sing about it and all these things. And look, the Prime Minister there at the stadium, Popsy Grange there at the stadium, everybody there at the stadium. You see me I say? So sometimes if you make Valiant just doing work, you see me officer where they talk about Valiant name, make the artist doing work and you do your work. Your work is to serve and protect. Not to come tell nobody say, then if you sing song with Valiant, I sing about Mad Smaddy, brother. You see me? Focus on your work, serve and protect. You see me? And you also focus on preaching to see me. So until next time, people, I'm out, and leave your comments in the comment section. Nothing wrong with what the policeman said, but when me I say is him for us do theme work. You see me? Because Valiant are artists and Valiant have to perform for the people of Jamaica, and you have to serve the people of Jamaica. So keep focus.